Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork and beans. This easy guide will help you create a comforting and flavorful dish with minimal effort. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final baking process. Get ready to transform simple pantry staples into a delicious meal that everyone will love. It is a perfect side dish or a hearty main course for any occasion. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need two 15-ounce cans of Great Northern or Navy beans, rinsed and drained. For that classic savory flavor, grab about 1/2 pound of salt pork or bacon. Sweetness comes from 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of molasses. Finally, add 1 small chopped onion and 1 teaspoon of dry mustard for a little kick. Now let's get cooking. First, rinse and drain your canned beans well. Next, dice your salt pork or bacon into small pieces and cook it in a skillet over medium heat until it's nice and crispy. Remove the pork, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat in the pan. Sauté your chopped onion in that flavorful fat until it becomes soft and translucent. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious creation. Transfer all your combined ingredients into a baking dish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 1 hour, or until the sauce has thickened and is bubbling nicely. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Serve your warm, homemade pork and beans as a hearty side or a satisfying main course.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.